Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder Instagram profile grid. So, Instagram has finally introduced a feature that lets you rearrange posts on your profile. Earlier, if you want a specific post at the top of your profile, you have to pin that post or reel. And also, you can only pin up to 3 posts and reels on your profile grid. But now, Instagram allows you to change the position of the post without reposting or pin that post. So to use this feature, first open Instagram. Now here click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to edit profile. Now here you can see a new section called reorder grid. Click on it and you will see all your posts in a movable grid layout. Simply press and hold any post and drag it to the position where you want it to appear. You can move the important posts at the top, organize your content and create better looking profile layout. And that's it. Now click on this arrow icon at the top left corner of the screen and then click the arrow again and your profile grid will instantly update with the new arrangement. That's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.